Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Technology. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build your own self-hosted remote desktop server just like TeamViewer or AnyDesk. Instead of relying on third-party servers, you will have complete control over your own infrastructure. We will be using our RustDesk Server, which is free and open source remote desktop solution. By the end of this video tutorial, you will have your own private RustDesk server running on Ubuntu, and it is allowing you to securely connect to your computers over your local network. This setup is perfect for home labs, businesses, and IT administrators, and also anyone who wants a better privacy, security and full control over their remote desktop connections. So without wasting much more of your time, let's get started. First of all, we will download Ubuntu 22.04 for this tutorial. So I'll recommend it following along with the same version to avoid any compatibility issues, as some command may be different for newer and older released. I am using here Ubuntu 22.04. So if you want the exact same result, then make sure that you are using the version as well. If your server already installed and connected to the network, then you are ready to continue. Also, I will provide all the commands to my video description. First of all, we need to change the DNS address. For that, we will use our Google DNS and Cloudflare DNS, which is 8.8.8.8 and 1.1.1.1. Next, we will open the terminal, and after open terminal, we will update the Ubuntu machine. So the command is sudo space apt space update. After that, put your password and press enter. And next, we are going to upgrade our system. So the command will be sudo space apt space upgrade space -y. Once the upgrade done, we have to install the Docker. The command I will provide to my video description. And next we are going to enable and start the Docker. So the command will be sudo system ctl enable Docker and start Docker. Next, we are going to check the Docker version. And now you will use the command to add user to the Docker group is sudo usermod -ag docker then $user. Next, you need to create one directory called RustDesk. Under RustDesk, we will make one more directory which is data. Under data, we will add one YML file with docker -compose.yml file. So I'll give you all this command to my video description. Here only you have to change or replace with your Ubuntu machine IP address. In my case, it is 10.10.10.197. After paste the command to your YML file, you need to press Ctrl+O to write out and Ctrl+X to exit the window. And next we need to start the RustDesk. The command is docker space compose space up space -d. As you can see, I'm getting this error. That means I have to type sudo space docker space compose space up -d and it will solve your problem. Now type sudo space docker space ps. Now you need to configure the firewall. So you need to allow RustDesk ports. So type one by one all the commands. After done, you need to type sudo space efw space status and it will show all your ports. After that, you need to get the server key. For that, you need to type docker logs hbbs grep and key. So you will get the key and you need to simply copy that key only. Now you have to download RustDesk on both the PC using the website called rustdesk.com. After download, open the RustDesk and click on the three dot button on your right side corner. Now go to network and click on ID and relay server. Under ID server, you need to put your Ubuntu server machine IP, and relay server, you need to put your Ubuntu server machine same IP. Key, you just need to copy paste that key which you have copied during installation. After that, click on OK. Now if you'll go your home page, it will show you a ready window. Now here is my another computer. The same way I will open RustDesk and configure the RustDesk. Now I'll put that IP address and password over here. And now as you can see, it is connected successfully. That's it. You now have your own self-hosted RustDesk server running on your network, giving you complete control over your remote desktop connection without relying on third-party servers. If you want to access your RustDesk server from anywhere in the world, you can configure it for internet access. I already have a detailed tutorial showing how to set up Cloudflare tunnel, so be sure to check out that video. It will help you to securely expose your service for remote desktop access. I hope you find this video tutorial helpful, so don't forget to hit the like button, share button, and don't forget to comment on this video. Also, subscribe my channel for more updates like this, and I will see you guys on the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.